We received some amazing news today.
Our residency visa got approved today. We applied about 3 to 4 weeks ago, and we are now residents of New Zealand.
Whoop, whoop. Cheers me, cheers me.
Cheers.
All of that hard work that you did paid off. It was so many documents that had to be submitted. Lots of money had to be paid.
Yep, and we went with the straight to residency visa, which made it a lot easier that my degree is on the green list.
So our next step after this is to apply for the permanent residency, but that's only in 2 years' time. It also means that I can start working now. The holiday fund needs to start growing now.
Yeah, agreed.
So we thought we'd celebrate our new visa by cooking something delicious. If you've watched one of our previous Vlogmas episodes, you'll know that we bought this Punjabi cashew korma.
We're gonna make a nice chicken curry, chicken korma curry. This pack. So you've got your curry spices, which we're gonna fry up with the oil. And then we've got the korma sauce and the garlic and ginger paste.
Ooh. Okay, time for MasterChef Craig to get to work.
It's an easy
Bye.
one. It's an easy one today because I'm not making it from scratch. It does help. So maybe some of you are wondering what wines we drink here in New Zealand. I often go for whatever's on special. Often it's an Australian wine or it's a New Zealand wine. This one I'm having tonight is a Stables Pinot Noir. And it's actually, it says wine of Chile and New Zealand. It's pretty good. It was also on special today. It costs about, I'd say $11. You pay an average from, I would say $9 to $12 for an affordable, good bottle of wine. I'm going to add the nice Indian spices to the oil and fry them up a bit. So,
That smells amazing.
I've pre-cooked the chicken a bit in the oven
Because we're hungry.
because it does take a little while. Now we're going to add the garlic and ginger paste, which smells very garlicky.
It smells so good. So good.
We have also boiled up some potatoes and carrots just to speed up the whole process, and those are going to go in now.
Nom nom nom.
The rice is almost cooked. That means our chicken korma is almost done, and it's looking and smelling
So amazing.
fantastic.
Oh, yum.
I'm excited.
It's ready.
It's a big piece of chicken.
Do you have enough sauce there? Oh, okay. I think it really helps that you fry that little packets in the oil beforehand.
Yeah. You
Okay.
always got to fry your spices first.
Taste test. This is good. It's a lot spicier than that mango chicken that we had.
It's a proper curry. That's
It's spicier than your butter chicken too. 2 thumbs up. Well done.
Thank you. That was a lot of fun.
It's so cool trying new things. We love seeing the new, like, different products and brands in the shops. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. We are going to watch My Kitchen Rules.
Yep.
And eat our food.
That's what we do every night of the week.
And celebrate Start Your Residence.